Now we're in Gate City right here, my friends. Gate City. Man, there's a lot of rain on the road. A lot of water. We got a truck behind us with no headlights. How much is gas up here? It was $1.89 back at Food City in Weber City. Big Stone Gap Straight, Cumberland Gap, Virginia Straight. I mean, Cumberland Gap, Kentucky. Cumberland Gap, Kentucky straight, Big Stone Gap, Virginia straight, and Gate City's to the right. That's where we're at. I'm going to take a right, then I'm going to go down and hang a U-turn and come back. This is where I'm at that lawyer.
Yep.
In the parking lot. Right here, just across from this funeral home. His name was Jesse McMurray, the lawyer that I met up here in Gate City, watches my YouTube channel. Jesse McMurray, he's a lawyer. So if you need any real estate, if you're buying real estate, selling real estate, you need an attorney, go by and see Jesse McMurray right here in Scott County in lovely Gate City, Virginia. Tell him the Big O sent you. Let me touch my camera because I got it on the LCD screen on the back of it. That makes it go out after a few minutes. It's still recording, so we're good to go. We got plenty of battery life. Plenty of SD card room, I think. It's a 128 gigabyte card in my camera. I'm using my GoPro Hero 8 Black on the dash as my dash cam. Dash cam Tuesday with a Big O. O'Reilly's. If it wasn't raining, I'd get out and do a walk around video, but it's raining. We got pals right here on the left, people. You see it? Pals. Huh?
A purple pal.
It's not purple. It's kind of like a mixture with a bluish purple kind of. Kind of like a sky blue one. There's a car wash. $1.84. That's not no ethanol. That's not bad. Did you see that? It said no ethanol, didn't it? That's cheap for no ethanol. $1.84. That's what it said, I think. Alright. I'm going to hang a right and then go down, turn around. We're still on Highway 23, ain't we?
Yep.
Gate City, Scott County. Is that a motel? Motel, ain't it? That one part wasn't. First Baptist Church. 58 degrees. That's cool. I told y'all it's cool. 58 degrees. I love it though, this kind of weather. I like these lights on the left. You like them, Sonny?
Mm-hmm.
Why can't we be friends? Why can't we be friends? Dun, 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 dun. That bank sign back there says 58. This one says 56. So it's between 56 and 58 degrees. It's according on which bank you want to trust. This is where I always make a turnaround, don't we, son? This is Gate City. This is the end of it this way. We turn this. What did this used to be? Look like maybe some kind of what do you call it? Help clinic, don't it? Right? The way it looks, like it might have been a help clinic at one time. I don't know. All right, let's go back through the. This is the, I guess, the east part of Weber City. I mean Gate City, Virginia. Now let's turn around. We did a U-turn. Let's go back the opposite way. We're on East Jackson Street. East Jackson Street, Gate City, Virginia, Scott County. New People's Bank, dentist's office. I like the lights right here on the right side of the sidewalk. Look like balloon lights, I'd call them. There's 5 on a pole. Looks antiquated. I could live here, people. If I'd moved from Kingsport, this is probably where I'd move. Gate City. Degrees. First Baptist Church says 58 degrees. The People's Bank back there says 56. Beautiful little town, nestled right here in the Appalachian Mountains. Peaceful, not too crowded. You got Dollar General, you got food, I guess grocery stores. Yeah. Broadwater Drugs, powered by Walgreens. That sign. First Community Bank. Hackney Furniture. Chris's Mercantile. Ivy Cottage on the left. That's antique building. You see it? Antiques, Ivy Cottage. That's an antique store. I'm slowing down because I'm trying to get some decent footage. Why can't we be friends? Trustworthy Hardware right here on the left. What's that, Sonia? Hensley Law Office. I wonder if they came to you, Sonia.
Nope.
Sonia's last name's Hensley. Gate City Theater. That's the old historic building. Too bad I can't get out and walk, people. It's raining. I'd melt. Plus, I'd get rain on my lens. That wouldn't make it too nice. A battery depot to the right. You see that? I guess they sell car batteries. I don't know. It said battery depot, didn't it? Alright, people. Gate City is where we're at. I'll go ahead and do another U-turn. There's a convenience store gas station up here. I'm sipping on some coffee I bought at Food City back in Kingsport. Keeping it real like the big old wheel. It's the big old show. The only place to go. It's the big old show. We're on West Jackson Street now. What is East Jackson? This is what I guess you call Main Street, downtown Gate City, Jackson Street. It was East Jackson back about a mile and a half. Now it's West Jackson. It's because we're heading west, young men. Go west. We'll get rich. Remember that back in the Dust Bowl days, back in the started in 1929. Companies were sending out flowers to everybody in the central United States and the eastern United States. Head west, you'll get rich. And they got out there and come to find out, there really wasn't that many jobs for everybody. They didn't pay that much. So a lot of families weren't no better. after they headed west than they were when they were living in the central or eastern part of the United States. I know a little bit of history. I went to college for 4 years. I read John Steinbeck, The Grapes of Wrath, East of Eden, The Winter of Our Discontent. I read a lot of essays, short stories. It's a pretty little town. Would you agree, Sonia?
Mm-hmm.
Would you agree to disagree or agree to agree?
Plead the fifth.
You plead the fifth. That ain't Jacob, is it? That's a little girl, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
I met this one guy that rides a skateboard up here, didn't Sonia?
Mm-hmm.
But that was about a year ago, wasn't it?
Yep.
Jacob Tipton. His last name's Tipton. So Jacob Tipton, if you watch this video, I haven't forgot about you, my friend. I had to get some footage of you one day riding a skateboard down here. Keeping it real like Jacob can on the Big O Show. Raindrops are falling on my head.
See what that sign says right there.
What did it say?
Dump Trump.
Read it.
And it had a Biden sign beside it.
Trump 2020. Made the best man win, and I think the best candidate for the president is Trump. So I'm not going to make this political video. I love all my viewers, all my subscribers. No matter your political beliefs or your religion, I love everybody. Can't we all just get along? I say we can. We have to learn to, I like that sign right there. It says Jesus loves you in that people's front yard. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
We have to learn to get along, my friends. I was born in '68. A lot of people nowadays don't have morals like they did back in the '70s and '80s when I was growing up. They gotten away from God. People selfish. There's Jesse Walker McMurray. Was he in there?
Mm-mm. I didn't see his truck.
I seen my friend's law office. Jesse, what's his name? Jesse
Walker
McMurray. That's a cool name. Jesse Walker McMurray. That sounds like a name that should be in, I don't know, some fancy cowboy movie.
That's what I was thinking.
No, doesn't
Uh-huh.
it? Jesse Walker McMurray. He sounds like he could ride. That sounds like a cool name. Like he could be in a Western with Clint Eastwood. A cool name, really, isn't it? Jesse Walker McMurray. Lawyer right here in Gate City. I make friends everywhere I go, people. Look at this pals. See, there's a pals everywhere you go too, ain't there, Sonia?
Mm-hmm.
I'm just pulling it here just to get some footage of pals. See here? Pals right here in Gate City. You need anything from pals?
Mm-mm.
I'm still sipping on my coffee that I bought back at Food City in lovely Kingsport, Tennessee. Is there an exit right here? Or just entrance? It's exit, ain't it? Isn't it? Ain't it? Ain't it? Who uses ain't it?
Me.
And I went to college for 4 years, and I still use slang. Ain't it? Isn't it? Isn't it would be the correct verbs to use.
We'll just double it and hush.
All right. I think we should go through Pals and order some mustard biscuits.
No.
Y'all got any mustard biscuits in there? I'll take a few. Mustard biscuits, man, would you make me some biscuits? Well, sure, Carl. I like mustard on mine. Right, we're going to leave Gate City. They have a Long John Silver's up here too, don't they? Long John Silver's and a Taco Bell. Hope you've enjoyed my ride through Weber City, Virginia, and Gate City, Virginia. Both of the little towns are nestled right here in the Appalachian Mountains in Scott County, Virginia. Now you know the rest of the story, and no, I'm not Paul Hardy. I'm the Big O Show. Taco Bell to the right. You need any spicy food, Sonia?
No.
I'm starting to get a little hungry, but I don't want no Taco Bell, do you? These people gonna go? Oh Lord, we got behind the slowpoke, dude. He's gonna get up there sooner or later, ain't he? Please and making it. That's all that matters. When I turn left and drive a quarter mile, people, that's it. Kingsport's to the left. Bristol, Tennessee's to the left. Cumberland Gap, Kentucky is to the right. Big Stone Gap, Virginia is to the right. We're on Highway 23. And when we make the left, it's considered Highway 23, 58, and 421. They all run together, I guess. I usually just call it Highway 58, 23 or 58, don't you? Left, south, right to the north. We got Advanced Auto Parts up there on the hill, and we got what, McDonald's? Hope everybody's enjoying my video. If this is your first time watching my videos, please like. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. That guy's spitting tobacco out there. Look, he's got his door open on his truck, spitting chewing tobacco. Come on, folks. We got places to go. Did you see him open that door? Spitting chewing tobacco. I ain't lying. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I guess it's better to spit it than to swallow it. Like I said, if this is your first time watching my channel, please like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate everybody taking the time to watch my videos. I'm going to close it out here in about another quarter mile. Alright, my friends, thanks for riding along. I'll see you all in the next video. It's the Big O Show, the only way to go.